There is a quiet tragedy that happens every day, and almost no one notices it. It is not failure. It is not heartbreak. It is not losing everything. It is waking up every morning with dreams still alive inside you and ending the day exactly the same as yesterday. Not because you are lazy, not because you do not care, but because somewhere along the way, you started believing that transformation must arrive like lightning. One dramatic moment, one life-changing decision, one perfect beginning. And while waiting for that moment, life keeps moving without asking permission. Many people spend years waiting to become someone new. They wait for motivation. They wait for confidence. They wait until they feel ready. But readiness is a dangerous illusion, because life rarely changes through grand events. More often, it changes in silence, in unnoticed mornings, in decisions so small they seem almost meaningless. And this is where the deepest shift begins. There is one quiet habit, so simple that most people ignore it, that has changed lives, rebuilt identities, and carried people out of darkness. Not overnight, not dramatically, but steadily, patiently, like water shaping stone. And once you understand it, you may never see your life the same way again. In Japan, there is a philosophy called Kaizen. It means continuous improvement through small, consistent change. It sounds almost disappointingly simple. No grand speeches, no heroic transformation, just one step forward, then another, then another. But hidden inside this simplicity is something powerful enough to reshape a human life. Because Kaizen understands something many people forget, identity is not built in moments of intensity. It is built in moments of repetition. Imagine planting a seed and digging it up every day because you cannot see the tree yet. That is how many people treat their growth. They start, stop, restart, and abandon themselves because results are invisible. But Kaizen teaches patience. It says, become loyal to the process before demanding proof. Write one sentence. Walk 5 minutes. Read one page. Sit in silence for 2 minutes. Tiny actions seem insignificant because they do not impress anyone. Yet these quiet repetitions slowly rewrite who you are. The mountain is not moved by force. It is moved grain by grain. And perhaps the life you want is not waiting for a breakthrough. Perhaps it is waiting for consistency. The habit is deceptively small. Every day, spend a few minutes alone reflecting on your life. No phone, no noise, no distractions. Just you and your thoughts. Sit quietly and ask, what tiny step can I take today toward the person I want to become? That is all. No pressure to fix everything. No demand to become perfect. Only one honest moment with yourself. Because most people are not disconnected from success. They are disconnected from themselves. There was once a man who felt his life collapsing in silence. His goals were fading. His confidence was gone. He kept searching for motivation through books, videos, and advice. Yet nothing lasted. Then he began a small ritual. Every morning before sunrise, he sat for 5 minutes with a notebook. One page, one thought, one action for the day. At first, nothing changed. Then weeks passed. His thinking became clearer. His habits became steadier. His life slowly moved. Not because the world changed, but because he returned to himself every day. Reflection became direction. And direction became transformation. Sometimes the habit that saves your life is not loud. It is simply the decision to stop abandoning yourself. A bamboo tree spends years growing roots beneath the soil before anyone sees movement above ground. Imagine standing there every day, watching empty earth, wondering if anything is happening. Most people would walk away. They would call it failure. Yet underground, life is already preparing itself. Human growth often works the same way. We abandon ourselves because we cannot see the roots. You start waking earlier, but nothing changes. You journal but still feel lost. You take small steps, yet your life looks the same. So you stop. You conclude that effort does not work. But what if the transformation had already begun where your eyes could not reach? Kaizen asks for faith during invisible seasons. It asks you to continue when applause is absent and progress is silent. Because one day, the roots become visible. The confidence appears. The discipline feels natural. The person you were trying to become quietly arrives. Not suddenly, not magically, but because you kept going when evidence was missing. The hardest part of change is not the work. It is trusting that the unseen days matter. And they do. Many people carry invisible battles. Regret over lost years. Guilt for wasted opportunities. The pain of becoming someone they never intended to be. They wake up with a quiet disappointment they rarely speak about. They think they are behind. Broken. Too late. But Kaizen offers a gentler truth. You do not rebuild a life in one day. You rebuild it one honest choice at a time. You do not need to fix your entire future tonight. You only need to choose your next step. Drink water. Take the walk. Write the page. Rest properly. Speak kindly to yourself. These actions feel painfully ordinary. Yet ordinary actions repeated consistently create extraordinary lives. The world celebrates dramatic victories, but healing often happens in unnoticed moments. A person deciding not to give up. A person choosing to continue despite exhaustion. A person taking one more step when their heart feels heavy. That is courage too. And maybe today, courage is not changing your whole life. Maybe courage is simply refusing to quit on yourself again. Every action you repeat becomes evidence. Evidence that you are disciplined. Evidence that you are capable. Evidence that you can trust yourself again. This is the hidden power of small habits. They do not only change outcomes, they change identity. You stop saying, "I want to be stronger," and quietly become someone who keeps promises. You stop chasing motivation and become someone who shows up anyway. The world often tells us to look outward for transformation. Bigger goals, bigger results, bigger dreams. But Japanese wisdom often points inward. It asks, who are you becoming through your daily actions? Because destiny is not built once. It is built every day. The person you become in silence eventually speaks louder than any ambition you announce. One page each morning becomes a writer. One walk becomes health. One reflection becomes wisdom. And one quiet habit practiced long enough becomes a completely different life. The future version of you is not waiting somewhere ahead. That person is being built right now in this moment, through the smallest decision you choose not to ignore. Tonight, before sleep, sit alone for a few minutes. Turn off the noise. Ask yourself one question. What tiny action would make tomorrow slightly better? Then do it. Nothing more. Do not chase perfection. Do not demand instant change. Just begin. Because the life you dream about may not arrive through a revolution. It may arrive through repetition. Years from now, you may look back and realize that everything changed because of one quiet habit. A few minutes of reflection. One small promise kept. One consistent step repeated when nobody was watching. Kaizen reminds us that transformation is not reserved for extraordinary people. It belongs to ordinary people willing to continue. So if life feels heavy today, if you feel lost, if you think it is too late, remember this. Mountains are climbed step by step. Rivers carve stone drop by drop. And lives are rebuilt moment by moment. Your next chapter does not require a miracle. It only requires one small act of courage. Begin there. And let the quiet change everything.